Hey guys, it's Wadefied Team Wade, and I'm downstairs in my husband's DJ room, and he's not here. So this room used to be really nice, and it's a mess. So I'm gonna try to quickly organize because that's one of my biggest things is organization. I love to organize. And the way that I do organize is because I don't know some of his stuff and I don't want to lose it and get my head cut off. Um, I get buckets. Hold on. So I buy these buckets and I pretty much label them. I will label them. So especially with DJ stuff, there's a lot of cords, a lot of little stuff that goes on. So I'll put all the cords, I'll roll them up nice, and I'll put them all in here. So I kind of categorize each thing that's in this room, so it makes it neater, and then he can come back in and decide if he wants to keep them in those buckets or put them in special places. But I can't stand looking at it. We redid this room. I will show you the room. It could be really nice. Has a beautiful couch. It's a great faux brick wall in the back. It has a pinball machine that you can't see because it's got stuff all over it. It's just, it's a mess. So here is the room with the nice couch. It has a nice, and we have up lighting. I mean, it could be really nice, but it's a mess. I just took some of the stuff out. He had his coat on the floor. He had coffee drinks. He's a big slob. I mean, it's just a mess. He has a nice desk over there. And look, here's the pinball machine. You can't even see it. Like, really? Come on. So if you saw the rest of my house is pretty neat. But I don't come down here because it's kind of disgusting. So I figured he's out of the house now. I'm going to rummage through this room really quick. You can even see the floor. And use my buckets and get done. And so I've got like a bunch of the cords right here. And I've kind of straightened up his desk. His desk, we couldn't even see it before. But I kind of already started to put the cords behind the desk. They had cords all over. But you'll see once I'm done. So I will show you as soon as I get all the buckets done, and I'll show you everything. All right. So I'm back. So within 30, maybe even 20 minutes, I was able to organize and clean my husband's DJ room. I put stuff into piles, there's the garbage bag. I put stuff into his bucket, so now he can come back and reorganize. You can now see the pinball machine, cleaned off his TV stand, his nice coffee table. There's Lucy Mama. And now everybody can sit on the couch. So it's very easy to just organize into categories into the buckets. I put his work stuff, his cords, garbage. Thanks for watching. Like my page, subscribe, and any comments would be nice.